Okay, this is for those guys that I was on a Zoom call with Mr. Full Speed just now, and basically they introduced me to a system that is literally bringing people on board in such a way that they will be guided to choose the right opportunity to create money with in order to fulfill their dreams and aspirations, and we brought it to a different level. And the one thing that I want to show you right now is at least a little introduction to a system that is already existing to build in unlimited team members, so that is building your business. So thank you so much for inspiring me with your call. There's a follow-up call with the technical guys in order to bring it to the next level. But I want to specifically thank those guys that were on the call just now in order to thank them for their inspiration to me again. And please have a look at the next video. I'll put it up a little bit so the speed will be a little faster so that you need less time because you're go-getters, and then hopefully we'll get into the next Zoom call with the tech guys in order to bring it to the next level and to introduce you to world players. So thank you again. Have a look at this little video, and then when you see this on a page where you can leave your best email address plus mobile telephone number, do so. So if you see this as a stranger, so to speak, do so, then we'll send you appropriate inner circle video information, won't spam you. Leave your best email address plus mobile telephone number, and we'll send you voice messages, email messages, and also click through SMS/text messages and use your smartphone like it's supposed to be as a smartphone. And then last but not least, before I show you the next little video, is that when you see this on YouTube, there's a little share button underneath. Share it, like, subscribe, do whatever is necessary to bring people on board in the 2019 revolution of automated online entrepreneurship. Multi-level marketing portfolio management on autopilot. That's what we are bringing to the table. Also introducing blockchain smart contracting and our own ICO coin launches to make it even wilder. Thanks again. Have a look. Enjoy the next video. And I'll make a little after announcement. So I have a huge surprise at the end of this video. Stay tuned and I'll check you soon. Okay, good people of the world, listen up please. What I'm going to tell you right now is extremely unique. What you see in your screen is basically 3 steps that you do need to have in place in order to make money online, to earn a living online. First of all, you see something that is called traffic. So you need people, and people need to go into funnels. That's the second part. And via click-through, mail, email, text messages, etc., they end up on the third part, which is your shop. Whether you have an eBay shop, Amazon shop, or perhaps you are a multi-level marketeer or an affiliate marketeer. Doesn't matter. But those are the 3 steps. Now, most of the time, it's easy to set up a shop or become a member of a multi-level marketing system. That's easy. The second difficult part, or the more difficult part, is setting up funnels. Funnels with 7-step sales psychology, in where people are being inspired instead of spammed, and then come into your shop well prepared, knowing what they're looking for, having been informed and inspired, and having made a choice in this funnel before they go shopping. So then they are staying and they're happy just visiting your shop, buying what they sorted out in the funnel. And that's it. Bob's your uncle, so to speak. Now the first part, meaning traffic, that's where everyone gets stuck. Now you're able to purchase traffic online. You're able to use Facebook advertisements, click-through campaigns. You can hire a huge marketeer or some social media agency. You can become a vlogger, whatever. But traffic is the most difficult part. And here's the news. Here's the kicker. We have created, or I know somebody that has created, artificial intelligence software in order to create unlimited amount of visitors, unlimited amount of customers, unlimited amount of members. So you do not have to spend any more money on recruiting, on giving webinars, seminars, on Facebook ads. You do not have to spend any money for expensive agencies or SEO experts or vlogger consultants. You simply have to do 2 onboarding processes. Below this video you see 2 onboarding processes, and I'll build this system completely so that you have unlimited amounts of members that come into funnels before they actually enter into your shop or become a member of your multi-level marketing organization. 100% hand-free, all done for you. That's 2019. Never, ever, ever seen before. This artificial intelligence software has no monthly fee, no recruiting, no contracts, even Bitcoin in, Bitcoin out. And once you have that in place, it invites and brings you members unlimited to your web shops, to your multi-level marketing organizations, to your commission income funnels, etc., etc., etc. So here you go. Very exciting. We're the first. So the platform that I'm talking about hasn't launched yet. We are in the pre-launch. So claim your position by clicking the links below here. When you see this on YouTube, there's links underneath this video in the article that you can click on and do the onboarding process. When you see this on YouTube, or when you see this on YouTube, there's a little word spelled share. Click on that and you'll have little social media icons pop up, and you're able to share this video with those that you grant the same success and income. And then when you see this on a page where you can leave your best email address plus mobile telephone number, do so. I'll send you appropriate video information. Thumbs up, become a member of this channel, because there's much more creative and fantastic news coming your way 2019. But the craziest thing is that we now have our hands on a piece of artificial software that is creating unlimited amounts of leads, unlimited amount of customers, unlimited amount of team members. So it's building your business. That's the big humdinger. So Happy New Year. I don't know when you see this video, but get in, claim your positions, and I'll definitely see you and yours in the next video on one of our webinars, seminars, live streaming sessions, events. But definitely on the most beautiful beaches of the world. Check you soon. I'm just editing this video, and I hear that I promised to give you some extra news at the end of the video, and the surprise is that there are limited, listen carefully, there are limited founder positions available. So it's not on the market yet. This is not published and promoted to the big public yet. So take positions right now. They're founder positions. They're extremely exclusive, limited founder positions. So click links underneath, claim your position, and I'll see you on top of the world on the other side of success. Thank you.